Hi. Uh, so now we will see the solid impression, uh, circular pattern, circular and rectangular pattern, and manual pattern. Okay. So first of all, I'll make one small wireframe. Okay. So that diameter I'll make it. I'll make it a solid extrude. So we can add some taper here. Okay, I'll give 5 mm taper. We can add some fillets here. So one small solid one to bring cavity shape. I made one small example. So the height we'll check it. What is the height? So it is around a 50 length length. So its cavity should be more than the 50. No. So I will make my Z 50. So I will make one rectangle. So go to top view. So modify your rectangular width. Okay. A small one cavity we are going to make. Solid impression. This is my block, and this is my solid. So now impression is made now. Uh, so this is your impression. Alter F. Okay. Alter E. So directly it is made the cavity. Okay. This is the impression. So like this, you can use it for the uh, for plastic core cavity extraction. You can use this option. Okay, it's simple, not complex one. Very simple core cavity extraction. You can use this method. Okay. So next we'll go for a pattern. So it needs some points also to arrange the uh, okay. So, so some offset I will make, and I will make some points here, intersection points I mean. Okay. So I made 5 points, all four intersection and center one point. Okay. So now I made one rectangle with 5 points. Okay. Otherwise I make one new points. Okay, I made it now. So now we'll check it, delete duplicate. If more than one means it will delete. It means already there was a point. Now we'll go solid, extrude, select this chain. Okay. So we don't want taper, we'll make it 0. So thickness is 50 mm. Okay. So now I will make one hole. So in this block I am going to make the hole. Okay. So what type of hole you want, you can select. In first hole I will make a simple hole. The second I will make this blind wall. You can give through wall also. That is left to you. Next is the this center point. Here we will make one counter board. You can change all the things, diameter, depth, width, all the things you can modify here. You are completely free to change here. There is no order. Next I will make this is some other different, maybe shank, counter shank. Okay, size will make it little less. 15. Okay, and other place we can make another type of hole. This many options are there. You can select the point and you can input the sizes whatever you want. So like this, you can goes on add the whole command like this. Okay. So next we are going to see pattern. Okay. Uh, for this also you need some base uh, model. Okay. So I will make one solid here. Okay. So I made one circle here. So now I will make first we will see the circular pattern. Then we will go for the rectangular pattern. So first we will make a base feature as a rectangle. So without the base feature it will not work. Okay, a base feature is important. So now I will make solid extrude this small one. So can create. I made create body now. Now circular pattern. You can select target body first. I will select it. Then the patterning body. This solid I selected. How many you want? So 8 you can give or 6 whatever. So like this we can make a pattern. This is the circular pattern method. You can save this as a circular pattern. Next we will see solid extrude. So again solid extrude this smaller one. So last time we made okay. So now we'll see rectangular pattern the same. This is the base and this is my uh, body. And now what are the instant? Yeah, I need it. 5 instant and distance we can give 25. So direction is going wrong, reverse direction. 25 is less, we can make it around. So one instant is going out. So make it 30. Okay. So now other direction also we can switch on and use the other direction also. So 2 and the distance also of 50 or 30. You can say both the direction. So this is the rectangular pattern. So some of the things if you don't want means you can remove this. Okay. remove selected instance. Suppose that this instant and this instant and this instant and the fourth last one. This and all I don't want in case. So this you can remove this. It's not happy. This is all about the rectangular pattern. Another is the manual pattern also available. So I come out of that previous model. So we'll make it again, no problem. Isometry. Again solid extrude. Extrude. The base feature I will make it now opposite direction. Now again I will extrude the smaller one. Okay. So now we go to manual pattern. So base feature I selected, and this is the instant feature. So result you can give here, add. So just pick it from where to where you want to add. Manually you can goes on place this instances. Okay. So we have seen impression, hole, rectangular pattern, circular pattern, and the manual pattern. Okay. So we have already seen solid model to surface model, and the another option is surface model to solid model also we can make. Okay. So reverse means from the solid model you can make the surface. So first we have one surface model here. Isometric. Okay. So I will delete my solid model now. So now we'll go to surface model is available with us. Surface model from surface. You can select the entire model. Okay. And selection. So you can set delete. So now you can analyze entity property. So you can see that it is showing the solid model. So like this you can convert the surfaces into solid. Okay. Remaining things we'll see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.